If you clicked on this video, you probably already know who Alex Hormozi is, but in case you don't, a few years ago he sold Gym Launch for a $46 million exit, and today he runs acquisition.com, which is $200 million portfolio company. Most people know him for his $100 million offers and sales strategies, but what most people don't talk about is how deep his expertise and knowledge is on onboarding customers. Behind the scenes, Alex has one of the most dialed-in systems in identifying and onboarding customers and separating customers who are not ready to buy from pre-qualified customers who are ready to move forward. My name is Peter. I have studied what business people do for 15 years. To say that I have spent countless hours watching their content is an understatement. Obsession is the right word. I have helped other business owners through my advisory service to move faster in their business. So in this video, we will find out exactly what Alex Hormozi's script for onboarding customers is, so you can apply the same script to your business. Pre-qualification process of a new customer should eliminate customers who will never buy from you for many reasons. I would include this message for any small service business where you have an initial consultation with new customers. You can send it via WhatsApp or email 24 hours before your scheduled call. And the message is, "Hi, before the demonstration of the service, I usually ask my customers a couple of questions so that we don't waste each other's time." The questions are quite direct, because no one helps me with the onboarding of new customers. I talk to them myself, but I will be happy to go over what exactly you need. The initial consultation is free, but at the end, we will look at the price list and you can choose from paid packages. Number 1, can you decide about the service independently? If not, the person who makes financial decisions should also be invited to the initial consultation. Do you really need the service? Is it the right time to start the service now? Do you have the funds to pay for the service? If you answered yes 4 times, the time for the initial consultation is confirmed. If you answered no, please write a question number and describe the situation in detail. The service prices are in a range from 00 euros to 00 euros, and the entire price list is in the first email from me. Throughout this video, we looked at how Alex Hormozi thinks about pre-qualification of customers, and we broke down the exact script of how he does it. But just knowing what to do is not enough if you don't have the system to actually find, onboard, and service them successfully. That's why if you are a business owner and you are overwhelmed with bad leads, I can help. I run a business advisory service where I improve all processes in a business. From advertising, price list correction, online and offline business presentation, fixing sales process and churn, without you wasting years of learning it yourself. I helped other business owners to improve their businesses, and I can help you do the same. If that sounds like what you need, book a free call. You can find a link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.